Boolean operators are essential tools for conducting efficient literature searches in research databases. Named after mathematician George Boole, these operators, and, or, and not, help refine search results by combining or excluding specific terms, ensuring you find the most relevant research material. The operator AND narrows your search by including only results containing all specified terms. For instance, searching climate change and policy will yield documents that discuss both topics. The operator OR broadens your search by including results with any of the specified terms. Use it to find documents on renewable energy or solar power. The operator NOT excludes specific terms, refining your search further. For example, genetics not epigenetics will omit documents related to epigenetics. Imagine you're researching the impact of technology on education. Using Boolean operators, you can construct a search query like technology and education, not mobile phones. This will provide results focused on technology's role in education, while excluding those specifically about mobile phones. By strategically combining these operators, you can efficiently navigate vast databases and pinpoint the most pertinent studies. Boolean operators enhance your literature search by saving time and improving accuracy. They allow you to filter out irrelevant information, focus on specific topics, and explore a broader range of related subjects, ultimately leading to more comprehensive research findings.